tells you what the option is. So the option here is, let me hover over there. Actually, let me undo that. The option here is table. So if I click on that and I scroll down, I have a table and I have a laptop on the table. I chose laptop, I put it here. So let me just get rid of this for a moment. I can delete the table, delete the laptop. Oops, I created another rack. Let me go delete the rack. Make sure I don't. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to delete the table. Okay, I'm going to go back to the select tool. And so now there's no table. I'm going to go here, the top menu, create new table. Now we have a table. I can zoom out and take a better look. I will take this laptop down here. When you go to end devices, laptop, put the laptop on the table. Now I have a laptop. I'm going to use that laptop to configure the router and the two switches. So all I need, let's go to connections, and very first option here under connections is a console cable. That is what you're going to use, a console cable. Click on the laptop port on the side here. Let me zoom in so you can see, get a better look. Click on this port. This is the serial port, in other words, RS-232. So I'm going to click in here, and you can see it's plugged in there. And I will start with the router. So the router has an auxiliary port and a console port. Click on console, and there it is. It's plugged in. Now, in Packet Tracer, all these PCs and laptops have their own operating system. To access it, if you're sitting in front of it, you just turn it on, and it should load. But in this case, you have to click on the laptop and go to desktop to see the operating system and all the different applications you can use in the operating system. If you're familiar with terminal applications like PuTTY, this is Packet Tracer's version of PuTTY. You click terminal, and you're going to click the settings are your default terminal settings, COM port settings. So click OK, and there we are. We are connected. This is a router that has never been configured. So we're going to configure it. So I will move this menu up here. And so, would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? Please say no. You can type N or you can type no. Hit enter. Press return to get started. It means hit enter. Okay, we're in the router. So the router has two interfaces that need to be configured. So enable, and let's say show IP interface brief. See the IP configuration. So first I'm going to configure G01, which is on the left side, on S1 side, with the IP address 192.168.1.1/24. So conft let's name the router. So hostname R1 and interface G gigabit 01. Now we're in interface configuration mode from global configuration mode. So conft got us into global configuration mode, and then interface G01 got us into interface configuration mode. And we can say IP address 92.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.0 is the IP address. I hit enter. Let's no shut the interface, and there it is. The interface changed state to up. Now from here I'm going to exit and go into interface G00 IP address 172.16.1.1/24 is 255.255.255.0. Say no shutdown to that, and that interface is also up. So if I exit this